Hello everyone, this is Teacher Kaye and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to discuss some Teacher's Day celebration ideas divided into 3 categories. It's helpful for you if first you're a student, or if you're a parent, or lastly, you're a principal or admin staff. I know it's a little late. I know, trust me, I know. Uploading this video 2 or 3 days before Teacher's Day itself, like October 5, the last day of Teacher's Month. Yeah, trust me, I know, I get it. It hurts, you know. So just a bit of a story time, like it was October 2 when we celebrated Teacher's Day in the school that I'm connected with. And that was yesterday. I personally received wonderful messages and treats from my pupils and the school, and I really felt loved. Aww. What a celebration, and to be honest, during that time, I was still actually looking for a content inspiration for my YouTube videos. Ideas came, but still I'm not so sure if that's what I need to do. So when I got home, when I was lying on my bed searching for inspiration or ideas for my YouTube content that I need to release a few days from now, that will be on Tuesday as scheduled, here comes a wonderful and massive idea. It finally hit me. Teacher's Day celebration ideas. Come on. I know what you're trying to tell me, that Teacher Kaye, you should have prepared this video like a month ago at the very least. Well, yeah, I get your point. Yeah. As they say, strike when the iron is hot. I trust me, I know that I just missed a wonderful and big opportunity, and it really, really hurts. It hit me. Anyway, why did that idea slip my mind? Where was I last month? Technically September. So last month, I'm adjusting with a new school year. We know that this school year, a lot of schools worldwide are doing distance learning. So is the school that I'm currently connected with. We know all of us teachers have major adjustments on our parts, and I'm no exception to that. So yeah, that's the first one. Second is that I am also a life group leader. We have a life group that we call Brave Life Group here in Cebu City. And this is where the youth or young professionals gather together once a week. And our schedule is every Thursday, 6:30 to 8 p.m. So we gather to share the Word of God, to encourage one another. And even in the midst of this pandemic, we are still doing it online via Zoom. So if you want to join, you can join us. You can definitely join us. Aside from that, last month, we finally started our local Sunday service. And I'm the online program director, and also sometimes I do background vocals. Also, I'm the person behind a Facebook page named Brave Thoughts with around 29,000 followers, where I post contents to encourage people every day. On top of that, I am also one of the hosts of a youth show named Puso Surgery, which is really cool. By the way, Puso means heart, so technically it's heart surgery where you get to heal and deal the issues of your heart. It's really amazing. You can check our Facebook page, Puso Official, or our YouTube channel, also Puso Official, to check out the episodes. Or if you're in the Philippines, we are currently airing it in Light TV every Saturday at 3:30 p.m. What a busy life. Like, to be honest, I have caught myself many times singing, I need inspiration. Yeah, you know what I mean. So that basically explains it. It slips my mind. Still, it hurts. Yes, I know. Anyway, I don't care if it's a little bit late, but I don't care. I might just give this one a shot. So thank you so much for listening to all my drama. Anyway, I know you're really here because of the teacher. Anyway, I know you're here because of the Teacher's Day celebration idea. So if you're in for that, just keep on watching. With most schools closed due to COVID-19, teaching this year is harder than it has ever been before. Not only are the teachers preparing the students academically, but they are learning an entirely new way of teaching as they go. And we have found a greater appreciation for our teachers as we've seen just how much they do and how their passion to help their students learn and grow has spilled over into virtual classrooms. So, whether you're a student, a parent, or a principal, I've put together a fun list of safe ways you can thank the educators in your life for their dedication to students, all from the safety of your home. Here they are. First category is for students. So here are the activities that you can use for your Teacher's Day celebration. First is gratitude list. Write a list of ways your teacher has impacted you and share it with them. As a whole class, you can collate it in one file and send it via email. Or a better way to do it is post it on your social media stories or timelines. And of course, tag your teacher, just like this. I created this story template. You can download it for free. Just go to my Instagram at Carol_Ann and get the template from my stories. Feel free to tag me so that I can share this also to my community. Number 2 is Zoom surprise party. Plan a Zoom surprise party with the entire class. Here, you can come up with a theme or a mini program to show how much you appreciate your teacher. You can also set up a cool virtual background, maybe with your teacher's favorite picture on it, or just a vibrant Happy Teacher's Day for everyone to use. For virtual background templates, you can check Canva. There are a lot of templates available right there, and you can also edit it right then and there. For using Canva, you may check my link on the description box later. Number 3 is digital art. It's so in right now, like everyone wants to have digital art, or if not, you might be the one who's making great and amazing digital arts. So if you have the skills, why don't you make one for your own teacher? Make a digital art of your teacher's favorite picture and send it to him or her via email. Number 4 is appreciation notes. Simple but always appreciated. A heartfelt thank you note is a fantastic way to show your gratitude. You know what? This really melts my heart.
Aww.
You know what? This is one of our school's major idea as we celebrate Teacher's Day. What they did is they gathered virtual notes from the students and they printed it out, laminated it, and distributed it to us. This is how it looks. My heart is full.
Aww.
As a student, you can do this individually and send it via email, or you can gather the whole class to do it in a Padlet per teacher. Ask everyone in the class to write on that Padlet, and once everyone is done, send the link to your teacher. Second category is you being a parent. So here are the activities. Number 1 is video message. Kind words go a long way. Help your kids record a short thank you message to send to their teachers. This is the best time to let teachers know their impact and that students miss them and face-to-face school time. Number 2 is e-gift cards or e-gift certificates. Support local businesses and teachers all at once. I tell you, every teacher could use some extra money when it comes to unwinding every weekend. You can digitally send gift cards for the nearby coffee shops or other locally spots near the school. Or you can send them a Teachers Pay Teachers, also known as TPT e-card. If you don't have any idea what TPT is a website where you can empower an educator with access to new and millions of engaging teaching resources that benefit the entire classroom. I also happen to have a store where your teachers can buy resources. So just check the link in the description box. Number 3 is gift basket. Make a homemade gift basket with your child and send it or deliver it to your teacher's house. Alright, now let's jump right into the third category, and that is if you are a principal or admin staff. Here are the activities. Number 1, virtual staff get-together. Create a virtual staff get-together for bonding and teacher appreciation. Throw a themed virtual party for teachers. You can organize a fun program or have a trivia game or share a cup of coffee together and have virtual cheers. At your expense, of course. Number 2 is goodie bag. You can send them goodies that they find really, really helpful. Like give them a bag with sanitizer, alcohol, face mask, face shield, even vitamins, just like how our school did it for us. Or you can give them teacher shirts. A dedicated one for distance learning or 2020 will be highly appreciated. Or you can send them food or e-cards, just like what I mentioned about Teachers Pay Teachers. Again, you can check my store right in the description box. I hope you find these ideas super helpful. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Carol_Ann to download the teacher gratitude list. Again, you can download that template for free, tag your teacher, and you can also tag me. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again next week. Once again, this is Teacher Kaye. Have a great day. Bye!